To get into today's live event, it's really easy. So, several things can happen to get into a live event. Sometimes it's squad, sometimes it's team rumble, sometimes it's solo thing. Very rare, it's a solo thing. And sometimes I've actually seen it duos. So that has happened too. Today, all you guys have to do is just log into Fortnite, scroll down, you guys are gonna see this coming soon. That start event, and just press join event. Other times, depending on the season, right here, you guys will not see any of these options. The only option that you guys are going to see is to get into the live event. So this time, they made it easy for us, but they also made it so we can actually go somewhere else. But again, sometimes, all you guys can do is just go to the live event. So we can just join it like any other game. We can put fill, no fill. We're going to do no fill. We're just going to ready up, and we're going to get right into it. Now, usually I recommend going into a live event at least an hour before it starts, okay? If you do 30 minutes, maybe you can get in. Sometimes you can't, so I wouldn't do 30 minutes. 20 minutes, I've seen a lot of people that can't get in. They're stuck in the loading thing. It's really risky at that point. Anything below 20 minutes, it's a big risk that you're not gonna be able to get into the live event at all. 2 hours before, like we can usually get into them. It's a bit much, but at least that guarantees you that you're in. So that's why 2 hours in. This right now, for example, is for this live event, but it doesn't mean that all live events are going to be like this. Some live events, you're just sitting there doing nothing. Going around the map, stuff like that. This live event, they made it a Star Wars theme, so we get to play while we wait. So here we go. So there's actually stuff to do while we are waiting. So it's kind of fun. Sometimes the stuff they make you do is really boring. For this live event, we get to play this while we wait. Some live events, they work even more different than this. It's even better to do a custom game. So that way you don't miss it. Because people do shoot each other in the game, they die, and then you could miss it. So it really does depend. Each event, they almost make each event different. Not all of them, but some of them are quite different. This one, they made it a little bit more interactive at least. It's not a mini game, like you are playing a game killing people. Nobody has destroyed me yet, so that's interesting. And in this case, it's a squad thing, so you guys can get in with a squad. And that's it. So that's how easy it is to join a live event.